Hello and welcome to the 411 on making money online. Today in this video we will look at how to start a blog and how to monetize it. We have a lot to cover, so let's just jump in, shall we? Step number 1, pick a niche for your blog. Write down your skills and interests. Pick an area that you are interested in and know a lot about. This will help you make content and connect with your viewers more easily. Do your market research. Learn about the niche you've chosen by looking into the demand, competition, and size of the group you could reach. Step number 2, pick a domain name and web host. Pick a domain name that is unusual, easy to remember, and fits the theme of your blog. Name registries like GoDaddy and Namecheap can help you find out if the name you want is free. Web hosting. Sign up with a reputable web hosting company such as HostGator, Bluehost, or SiteGround. Often they let you install WordPress with just one click. WordPress is a popular writing platform. Step number 3, make a blog. Make your blog live. Install WordPress. To set up your blog, use your hosting provider's one-click WordPress installation if they offer that. If it does, then just follow the on-screen directions. Pick a theme. Pick a WordPress theme that fits the style of your blog and is easy for people to use on sites like WordPress.org and Themeforest. You can find both free and paid themes. Number 4, make sure the content is high quality. Plan your content and write down your first blog post. Your material should be useful, interesting, and full of useful information for the people who want to read it. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Word Planner and Ubersuggest to find terms that are related to your niche. Plan how you'll use these keywords in your writing. Write and publish. Make sure your blog posts are well organized, free of mistakes, and interesting. Add pictures and other content to make the reader experience better. Step number 5, make it SEO friendly. Add SEO tools to make your blog post search engine friendly. Use plugins like Yoast SEO. This includes setting meta names and descriptions and making the text easier to read. Building links. Share your content on social media as a guest post and in person to get backlinks and boost the reputation of your blog. Step number 6, get people to listen. Interact on social media. Make social media accounts for your blog and interact with people who read it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Offer a lead magnet like an ebook or a free course or free mini course to your guests as a way to start building an email list. To keep track of your followers, use email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Step number 7, making money from your blog. Connect with Google AdSense to put ads on your blog. When people click on the ads, you get paid. Affiliate marketing. You can use affiliate marketing to promote goods or services that are relevant to your topic. If you join an affiliate such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank, you can get paid a commission for sales that come from your affiliate links. Sell digital goods. Make and sell digital products that are related to your niche, such as ebooks, courses, or printables. Offer sponsored posts. Work with brands to get paid to write posts or reviews of their products in the area. Membership sites. You could make a part of your blog that only members can access, or you could start a paid newsletter with special content just for the users. Services and consulting. If you know a lot about your field, offer your audience paid consulting services or other services that you're good at. Step number 8, check and improve. Analytics. To keep track of how well your blog is doing, use tools like Google Analytics. Look at the number of visitors, how they act, and the exchange rates. Quality of the material. Update and improve your material on a regular basis. Keep giving your viewers something to value. A/B testing. Try out different ways to make money and keep your audience interested to find the ones that work the best. Remember that it takes time and work to make a blog popular. You might not see results right away, but if you keep at it and are dedicated, you can make a blog that makes you money and lets you share your love of writing and information. We hope you found this video valuable and inspirational to start your journey towards financial success by making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.